Summer days are so long, so beautiful, and so hot here in Kentucky. I wanted to show you what a day in my life might look like in the summertime. I start my days by feeding our animals and collecting eggs. I need to go check on some goat's milk soap that I've been making. I just did 2 new scents, a no-bake cookie and a rosemary peppermint. But before I put them for sale in my Etsy shop, I need to check the pH balance, make sure that it's safe, that it cured correctly, and then I also want to check and see how much it bubbles, because handmade soap, it's so creamy and it always has these big beautiful bubbles and it smells so good. Then I went into the garden for a little bit of maintenance, and I figured I'd let you enjoy some garden ASMR. Next month, I am teaching an Herbalism for Kids class with some of our homeschool friends, and I want to make a calendula oil because we're going to be doing a few projects and I want to have this on hand. And I'm just going to sit this in a sunny place for about 4 weeks to infuse and get all the benefits out of that calendula. The kids are outside playing with friends and swimming. I'm going to use this time to clean up the dining room / homeschool room a little bit. I'm actually hosting a tea party for my seasonal tea society girls. I've got some videos here on my channel showing our tea parties. And I need to just clean up odds and ends that are laying around, like my plant tags need to be put in my garden notebook. There are books to put away, and then I want to wipe everything down and just kind of get it decluttered so that when I'm setting the table later this weekend, everything's just easy and I can get it done quick. off to this side of the room, I want to rearrange things just a little bit on top of this dresser. I keep all of our homeschool supplies in those drawers, and I set this up to kind of be like an entryway. We live in a small little cottage. We call her Rose Stone Cottage. Person that thinks about Mrs. Doubtfire every time I vacuum. Even though it's hot, Grandma and Grandpa took the kids out for ice cream, and I feel like baking. So I got some lemon thyme from our garden, and I'm gonna make some lemon thyme shortbread. Press the dough into some pans, and this smells so citrusy and fresh. I'm gonna add just a little drizzle of that lemon icing that I just whipped up, and then I put some lemon thyme on top of this. I wouldn't do that again. It made it look like a weird pizza, but my husband and my kids ate it up. I'm gonna end this summer evening with a little quiet time and a walk with my husband. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.